Every year, more than 1 million vehicles are stolen in the US alone, according to the National Insurance Crime Bureau. And increasingly, thieves aren't smashing windows or hotwiring engines, they're using stealthy manipulative tricks that start with something strange showing up on your car. Today, I'll show you exactly what to look for before getting into your car, from GPS trackers to money traps to camera tricks. I'll break down how these 11 scams work, what they target, and what to do if you spot something suspicious. And stick around, because the tip coming in the last will give your car next level protection from the criminals. Let's jump in. Scam number 1. Suspicious device under your car. If you ever spot a small black box stuck underneath your car, don't brush it off. That could be a GPS tracker, often magnetic and no larger than a deck of cards. Criminals use these to monitor your movements over several days. Once they know your daily route, they'll learn when you're away from home or when your car is likely to be parked unattended for hours. Some go a step further. They use the data to target both your car and your home. AutoTrader and Haynes Manual report a growing use of real-time GPS tracking in modern car theft rings. These devices cost as little as $25 online, and anyone can use them. If you see one, do not touch it. Tampering might destroy evidence. Call local authorities and wait nearby in a public space. If you're unsure, you can use a handheld RF detector to scan for hidden signals or trackers during routine checks. Scam number 2. Clothing on windshield wipers. Finding a hoodie or rag wrapped around your windshield wiper isn't just odd, it's strategic. This trick relies on your first instinct to remove it, especially if it's obstructing your view. Criminals take this moment to pounce, often hiding nearby in parking structures or poorly lit areas. Recently, these kinds of carjacking setups have spiked, especially near gyms, malls, and transit stations. And here's the clever part. Many drivers start their vehicle first, put it in park, then jump out to grab the object. That leaves the car running and unlocked. Your best move? Stay inside, lock the doors, drive to a busy area or gas station before inspecting it. Use your side mirrors or rear camera to see if it's something that'll blow off on its own. This scam plays on urgency. Slow down, think twice, and keep the doors locked. Scam number 3. Coins in your door handle. This trick is low-tech but surprisingly effective. A thief wedges a penny or nickel inside the passenger side door handle. When you lock your car remotely, that latch may not fully engage, leaving one door unlocked. You won't notice because most key fobs don't give alerts for partial lock failure. Once you walk away, they come back, open the door quietly, and take what they want: electronics, documents, or the car itself if your keys are still nearby. I recommend you check all doors manually if you've parked somewhere new or noticed anything odd with your locking sound. Some modern models have visual lock confirmation via blinking lights. A visual inspection is the safest bet. Add this to your routine. Lock the car, walk around once. Give the passenger handle a quick tug. It takes 10 seconds and could save you thousands. Scam number 4. A $100 bill on the windshield. You return to your car and bam, a crisp $100 bill under your wiper. It's bait. In many cases, it's a counterfeit or fake prop placed just off center to draw your attention. The second you hop out to grab it, someone slips into your car, especially if your engine's already running. This tactic preys on curiosity and impulse, and it's especially common around holiday shopping seasons when people are more distracted and more likely to carry valuables. This way, cars left running in parking lots, even just for a quick second, are involved in a significant number of theft reports. Here's what to do. Don't get out right away. Lock the car from inside and inspect from your seat. If you're concerned, drive to a secure area or report it to nearby security. Fake generosity is a growing scam tactic. Stay sharp. If you made it this far, then consider liking this video, giving it a thumbs up, and subscribing to my channel. This helps me bring you more honest car advice. Scam number 5. Fake damage. You return to your car and spot a fresh scratch across the door. Tucked under your wiper is a polite handwritten note with a phone number. It says they're willing to cover repairs, maybe even apologize. Seems honest, right? Think again. This is a setup, and the recommended mechanic they suggest is in on the scam. Once you bring your vehicle in, they might copy your keys, place a hidden GPS tracker, or document your car's security system. Haynes Manual warns that newer keyless systems, especially smart fobs, can be cloned in under 3 minutes using tools easily purchased online. Many drivers don't even notice until days later when their car vanishes from the driveway without a sound. Some thieves also use this as a way to gain access to VINs or service stickers on your windshield, helping them build fake titles for resale. Your best defense: always go to a mechanic you know and trust. Photograph the damage, the note, and the surrounding area. Check security cameras if you parked in a lot or near a business report. Anything suspicious, even if it feels minor, trust your instincts. If something feels off, don't ignore it. Scam number 6, hidden GPS trackers at airports. Airports are prime spots for long-term parking, and car thieves know it. They'll walk rows looking for newer models and place magnetic GPS trackers or use relay devices to capture fob signals. Do you know tech-savvy thieves can extend a signal from your key fob stored in a suitcase, bag, or even a hotel room up to 300 feet away using cheap equipment? Once cloned, they can return days later and unlock your car without breaking a sweat. How to protect yourself: park near surveillance cameras or security patrol zones. Use a Faraday pouch for key fobs to block signal cloning. Check under bumpers, wheel wells, and exhaust areas before and after trips. If something doesn't feel right, have it checked by a shop that specializes in vehicle electronics. It's worth the peace of mind. Scam number 7, repeated bumps. Triggering your car alarm. If your car alarm keeps going off night after night, don't just assume it's faulty. This is a conditioning tactic. Thieves gently bump your vehicle, triggering false alarms until you get frustrated enough to turn the system off completely. Once the deterrent is gone, they strike. According to the Auto Coach, over 60% of successful car thefts in urban neighborhoods happen when security systems are inactive, either from battery drain, user error, or intentional deactivation. Before assuming your alarm is buggy, check door sensors for tampering, hood latch sensor, and shock sensor calibration. Battery voltage: low batteries can trigger false alarms. If your system is older, consider upgrading to a modern alarm with a smartphone alert system. And if it's going off often, don't disable it. Inspect, document, and involve local law enforcement, especially if it's happening at the same time every night. Scam number 8, fender bender theft. It's a sneaky setup that looks like a minor accident. You stop at a red light. A car behind you taps your bumper. The driver waves, seems apologetic, maybe even overly polite. You step out to exchange info, maybe leave the engine running, and that's exactly when their partner jumps into your vehicle and drives off. This scam has recently surged in cities with heavy congestion and fewer surveillance cameras. It's fast, messy, and often over in under 15 seconds. Victims lose not just their car, but everything inside: phones, wallets, work gear, even IDs. Here's how to protect yourself. Turn off your engine before stepping out. Take your keys with you, no exceptions. Lock all doors while outside. If possible, take a photo of the other vehicle's plate from your seat before exiting. Bonus tip: install a dual dash cam system with parking and impact recording. It won't just catch scammers, it also helps with insurance claims if the damage is real. Scam number 9, hanging hooks. You might have seen strange hooks in public bathrooms or odd gadgets clipped near your driver's window. Some of these are more than they appear. Police reports across North America have revealed covert recording devices hidden in items like double-prong coat hooks, rearview mirror accessories, even air fresheners in rideshare vehicles. In some cases, these are used to record key fob button patterns, allowing criminals to replicate your lock-unlock codes later. Before entering your car or public restrooms, do a quick visual check for odd misplaced accessories. If you're traveling or renting, do the same in Airbnb and hotels. Want to go further? Use your phone's flashlight in a dark room. Light bounces off camera lenses, revealing reflections in places you wouldn't expect. Remember, if it doesn't belong, don't ignore it. Scam number 10, stranger giving you a free gift. This one's more common than you think, especially in tourist areas, gas stations, or parking lots near ATMs. A stranger walks up and offers you a bracelet, flower, or trinket for good luck. It feels innocent, even generous. But the second it's on your wrist, they flip the script. Now you owe them. They'll demand money, act offended, or worse, create a public scene to pressure you. Some even bring in fake police who threaten fines or legal trouble if you don't pay. Meanwhile, their partner might be checking door handles or watching where you keep your keys and wallet. It's not just about the money, it's about distraction and manipulation, and they often target people who are alone, distracted, or visibly confused. Lately, this tactic was flagged in over a dozen cities, with hotspots like Miami, LA, Rome, and Paris mentioned repeatedly. What to do? Politely decline any unsolicited item. Step back, maintain personal space, walk away with confidence even if they persist, and if needed, head into a business or public place for safety. Confidence is key. Criminals rely on hesitation. Don't give them an opening. Final tip: prevention beats recovery. By the time your car is gone, recovery becomes a race against the clock. The NICB reports that stolen vehicles are often stripped for parts or shipped overseas within 48 hours. That's why prevention isn't just smart, it's essential. Here's how to make your car a harder target. Use a visible steering wheel lock like the Club. Visual deterrents work. Install a dash cam with parking mode. Bonus, it helps with insurance claims. Don't leave your fob near windows or doors. Relay attacks can clone it through walls. Angle your wheels toward the curb when parking. It makes towing harder. Switch parking spots regularly if your car is always in the same location. Patterns help thieves. Want next level protection? Consider a kill switch or engine immobilizer, especially if you drive a high theft model. And finally, keep an eye out. Criminals test your awareness before they strike. The more alert you are, the harder you are to target you. Find this video helpful? Then be sure to watch this video next, where I'm sharing 15 quick car fixes that will save you over $5,000 every year.